I told Diesel earlier that Danny was coming over, so he keeps looking at the door. So let's see what he says now. Diesel. Diesel. Diesel, guess what? Danny's coming. Danny. Danny. Danny's coming. No, he's not. Calm down. He's not here yet. Okay. He's coming. You want to go look at the door? Nobody's here. It's just the boys. What are you getting so excited for? Huh? Danny? Danny? Danny's coming. Are you happy? Are you happy? Danny's coming. Go look at the door. Go look at the door. Go grab the leash again, Diesel. That's not him. See, I say Danny once, he goes crazy. Oh, grab the bottle. It's hung on the yarn. Here, hold on. It's hung up on